Anchor Thread is a revolutionary product line of cast-in-place concrete anchoring systems and accessories that are designed by construction professionals for construction professionals to maximize safety and efficiency while reducing cost and risk. The central concept is that anchor threads are installed pre-pour, which eliminates ladder time, concrete anchor drilling-related silica dust, and, significantly, the risk of drilling into the hollow cores or pre-tension cables, which can be a very dangerous and costly mistake. The anchor thread system can also reduce labor time for anchor point installation by up to 95%. This offers tremendous efficiency, safety, health, and environmental advantages to building owners, developers, contractors, and laborers. The poured-in design and resulting workload strength of the anchor thread system provide long-term reliability and virtually eliminate failure of the anchor point for the life of the structure. The Anchor Thread product line has won numerous innovation awards, including the 2020 New York City Department of Building Safety Innovation Contest, the 2021 Liberty Mutual Safety Innovation Award in Construction, and the 2023 Experts' Choice Award for Sustainable Innovations. We offer many variations of the anchor thread system to accommodate a wide variety of mounting options, formwork types, and design constraints. The lock plate model is offered in a J-bolt and straight bolt configuration. It features a two-phase installation process. First, the lock plate is mounted to the formwork using the included lock plate and nails for wood forms, or the bolted lock plate compatible with any material formwork. Once the lock plates and reinforcing steel are installed, the anchor bolt assembly is installed. The benefit of this two-phase design is that the lock plates are installed on the deck forms before the reinforcing steel, acting as indicators for the lathers where not to position the reinforcing steel. The recessed metal pan deck model, also known as RMPD, is designed for corrugated deck construction and offered in a J-bolt configuration. The benefit of this design is that installation is achieved quickly, pre-pour, with two tools from above, not requiring any work from below. The installation process consists of measuring, marking, and drilling the anchor positions in the deck with the included hole saw, then inserting the anchor bolt assembly, tightening the escutcheon by hand, and doing the final torque with the included wrench. That flares out two wings that rigidly clamp the assembly to the pan deck. Lastly, our newest addition to the anchor thread family is the slipform model. It is offered in a straight bolt configuration and designed for concrete anchoring applications that require the anchor bolt assembly to be installed from the outside of the wooden formwork after the steel reinforcement installation is completed. This model consists of a mounting bracket assembly and an anchor bolt assembly. We also offer a steel spacer that enables the mounting bracket assembly to be welded to steel formwork systems. With the mounting bracket assembly mounted to the formwork, the anchor bolt assembly can be inserted and locked in with the included pin. Once you are ready to remove the formwork, you can use that same pin to extract the insert. In situations where there is a pour that doesn't require anchor threads, the insert can be inverted and secured with the pin to act as a delete, eliminating any downside to having these installed on all applicable formwork systems. In every application, after the poured concrete has achieved the required strength, the forms are stripped and the recyclable plastic components are removed, leaving a clean, reusable, recessed anchor point that is rated for a 5,000-pound workload and available for the life of the structure. That makes it OSHA and ASTM compliant for such applications as fall protection, two-person lifeline systems, leading edge protection, and safety netting. Significantly, and offering even greater savings and safety, anchor threads are also employed to support mechanical systems such as sprinkler lines, plumbing, HVAC, cable management networks, dropped ceiling systems, curtain wall, and many more components. Because installed anchor threads are, by design, slightly recessed from the face of the concrete, there are several additional benefits. Anchor threads in elevator shafts can be used for safety netting during construction and still be available later for building maintenance operations or for rappel equipment in an emergency evacuation situation, all while eliminating the injury risk posed by anchoring hardware that's otherwise proud of the concrete. Also, because of that slight recess, any anchor thread cavity can be easily patched over, completely flush with the concrete surface. Where an anchor thread needs to be concealed while remaining in place for future use, we offer easily removable silicone caps that fill the anchor thread cavities perfectly. Even while reducing costs and increasing safety, the anchor thread system also offers several environmental benefits. By eliminating drilling and dust mitigation equipment for anchor points, contractors will reduce the job site's hazardous waste and even electricity consumption, as surrounding residents and businesses enjoy lower noise and dust emissions. While those benefits are only a small component of the overall cost savings produced by the anchor thread system, its adoption on a global level represents a considerable reduction in the carbon footprint of the construction industry. Additionally, since the plastic components are comprised entirely of recyclable plastic, our more environmentally conscious customers can coordinate with local plastic recycling companies to pick up these parts, virtually eliminating product waste. Each anchor bolt comes with a laser-marked QR code which, when scanned by the end user, will pull up a page containing all the pertinent information on the system. This includes the user manual and product specifications, which are automatically translated to the user's preferred language, engineering drawings for reference, and much more. We also offer a building information modeling object library to make specifying anchor thread as a connection detail quick and simple. Moving on to our anchor thread accessories, we have the silicone caps, which are available in a multitude of color options, including several Pantone-matched shades, glow-in-the-dark, and even custom color solutions. Next, we have our anchor nut kit, comprised of a bushing anchor nut, an optional spacer, and a C-clip retaining ring. This kit is used for mating various third-party attachments to the anchor thread system. Our D-bolt is a heavy-duty static D-ring, certified for such applications as personal fall protection, two-man lifeline systems, high-tension cable rail leading edge protection, and safety and debris netting. Lastly, we have the heavy-duty I-nut, a high-strength, lightweight, and compact attachment, also certified for all those same applications. All models and accessories feature our patented shear shoulder design that completely fills the escutcheon cavity created in the concrete, dispersing any shear load applied to the anchor thread over significantly more surface area than any other typical concrete anchor. Even while the anchor thread system has revolutionized the anchoring process, we are continuing to develop additional components to address other specific applications, including the anchor stand. Designed for tilt-up construction, the anchor stand allows for anchor threads to be tied to the steel reinforcement, featuring a height adjustment to align the top of the escutcheon to the target height of the concrete surface of the tilt-up section before concrete placement. These anchor points are multi-purpose and can be utilized for panel movement and placement and subsequent safety and MEPS applications. The anchor clip, a non-conductive, reusable hanging device for temporary lighting that clips onto the anchor thread system, expediting the setup and breakdown of the temporary lighting on the job site. The anchor post, a reusable, temporary leading edge protection system that mates to the anchor thread by way of our anchor nut kit. This component drastically reduces the wasteful time, material, and labor otherwise employed setting up a leading-edge protection system with temporary wooden barriers. With the time, labor, and material saved using the anchor thread system instead of drilling, resources can be better allocated to ultimately produce projects in a safer, stronger, faster, more cost-effective, and more environmentally friendly manner. In every way, the anchor thread embedded anchoring system minimizes the cost, time, and risk of installing concrete anchors while maximizing safety and efficiency. It's stronger, simpler, quicker, more versatile, and better for the environment, all while being much less expensive and, most importantly, so much safer. Because of that, insurance companies will offer substantial reductions on premiums, further increasing the savings. Employed in every application, the anchor thread system will save individual owners and contractors millions of dollars and billions for the construction industry. It isn't just a product, it's a value engine that fundamentally changes the bottom line and creates safer work environments for every single person involved for the lifetime of the project. And it's tested and proven by the most powerful agencies in the country and the largest construction companies in the world. The anchor thread system is more than just a win-win, it's a revolution. Anchor thread, safety, built in.